Want to program a new or existing flip key fob for your 2017 Ford F-250, F-350, F-450, or F-550 yourself? It's possible and can save you money. The basic process involves synchronizing the fob's radio frequency with your truck's computer. You'll need your ignition key, the new fob with a charged 3-volt CR232 battery, and potentially an affordable OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. To start, get inside your vehicle and close all doors. Be aware that Ford's passive anti-theft system, PATS, requires precise timing during the programming process to avoid errors, so follow these instructions carefully. Keep in mind that only 2 to 4 fobs can be programmed to your vehicle. Exceeding this limit requires a dealer reset. We will cover the ignition cycle method and alternative OBD2 method. The standard method for programming your 2017 Ford Flip key fob is the ignition cycle approach. Start by inserting your existing working key into the ignition. Repeat this off to on to off cycle 8 times, doing it quickly but carefully. When you enter programming mode, you'll see the door locks cycle to confirm. Now, within 20 seconds, press any button on the new flip key fob. The door locks will cycle again to confirm it's programmed. If you have more fobs, repeat this step quickly. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner with Ford-specific software. Connect it to the port under the dashboard and follow the device's instructions for programming. Common issues include failing to time the ignition cycles correctly, a low battery in the fob, or a defective fob itself. Potential pitfalls include PATS errors leading to no-start conditions, which may require professional help. Also consider rising cybersecurity risks like key cloning. While DIY success rates are around 70 to 85%, precision is critical to avoid immobilizing your vehicle.